Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can find how many registered devices are there for our Prime account. So, guys, just launch Prime Video app. Click on Settings, which is here. As soon as you click on Settings, the screen pops up. Settings screen, stream download, match quality and Wi-Fi, notifications, autoplay, parental controls, home region, registered devices. You can see here registered, see all registered devices. Click on this. So it will show you registered devices. These devices are registered to your account. If you no longer use the device, click sign out and watch on 5 devices, including TVs, as a part of your Prime membership. If you have Prime membership, you can add up to 5 devices, including 2 TVs. Here you can see there is an Android device, there is another Android device. So these are all the devices which are registered to our Prime account. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.